Everyone loves outdoor activities, but with all that fun comes all that cleanup. That's why I created the RinseKit. It's like having a hose to go. RinseKit is super easy to use. To fill it, simply attach the Quick Connect adapter to any sink or hose bib. Turn on the water, it will fill in 30 seconds. Attach the nozzle, and it's ready to go. There's no pumping or batteries required, it uses no moving parts, and it will hold the water pressure for months. Okay, so right now you're probably asking yourself, how in the heck does this thing work? Inside the RinseKit, there's a sealed chamber. When you connect it to a hose bib, the water pressure from your home simply compresses the air in the chamber. The best part about this design is that it essentially uses the air as a spring. There's nothing to wear out. We specifically designed the RinseKit to be easy to carry and travel with. It holds 2 gallons of water, which will spray for over 5 minutes on the center setting and for over 30 minutes on the mist setting. The lid detaches so you can clean up and change on it. You can also use it as a cutting board or to sit on as you rinse off your feet. RinseKit is BPA free, so it's safe to drink out of and it's extremely durable. You really can't hurt this thing.